In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to react with emojis in Slack. Emoji reactions are a quick, friendly way to acknowledge messages without sending a full reply. They help keep channels tidy, highlight important updates, and add a bit of personality to your conversations. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click and how to choose the perfect reaction for any message. Start by heading to slack.com in your web browser. Whether you're using Slack in the browser or in the desktop app, the process looks and feels the same. Once Slack is open and your workspace is loaded, you're ready to navigate to the conversation where you want to react. Choose a channel from the left sidebar to open it. This could be a team channel, a project space, or a direct message. Inside the channel, scroll to the message you want to react to. It might be a status update, a question, or anything else that could use a quick acknowledgement. Focusing on the exact message ensures your reaction lands in the right place, especially in busy channels where lots of people are chatting at once. Move your mouse over the message and look to the right side of that message. You'll see a small add reaction icon appear, usually a smiley face. Click that icon. If you don't see it immediately, hovering for a moment should reveal it. This keeps the interface clean while making the reaction tools easy to access when you need them. When the emoji picker opens, you can browse through categories or use the search bar at the top to find a specific emoji. Typing a word like thumbs, check, or celebrate will quickly narrow your options. You'll also see recently used emojis which can save time for common reactions like a thumbs up, a check mark, or a party popper. Click the emoji that best fits your response and it will appear directly under the message. Your teammates will see it instantly, along with a small counter that shows how many people have reacted with the same emoji. If you want to react with another emoji, simply open the picker again and choose a second one. A quick tip: keep reactions clear and relevant so your team can scan threads and understand at a glance who's seen or approved an update. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can acknowledge messages, show support, and keep discussions organized without adding extra noise.